Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library on using the BC Historical Newspapers digital collection. And in this video we'll be going over how to do a basic search. So we will be typing in some search terms to try and find information on a particular subject. In this case I'm going to try and find information about Expo 86, the World Expo that occurred in Vancouver in 1986. So when we enter our search terms, we can essentially use it kind of like we would the library catalog or another search bar, kind of like on Google or some other search engine. So to start, I'm just going to type in Expo 86 and hit enter to start our search. And we will get a list of results. Here you can see we have 38,852 different results just for that one phrase for Expo 86. Because that's a lot of results, we may want to try and narrow down our results a little bit. We can always do that using our search limit tools here. So for example, we can limit by which of the different newspapers we are searching in, or as well as a particular date range to try and narrow down the results somewhat. But just to give you an idea of what the results look like, I'm just going to pick the top result here from March 23rd, 1986. And here we have a large page spread on the preparations for the opening day of Expo 86. And you can see here that our search term Expo 86 is highlighted in yellow to show us where in the particular page the term appears. So that way it's a little bit easier to find it. If you're looking through a whole page, you're trying to find the specific information that you're looking for, it can make that a little bit easier to find. And so as you can see, this is the original page as it appeared in the Times Colonist as it was printed originally. So it's an exact scanned copy replica. And if we go to the top right corner here, we have the option to download this page if we'd like to save it. We can email it to someone, or we can print it out as well. So you have multiple options for what you'd like to do with a page if you'd like to save it for later or to send it to someone else.